there, this is Julie the Garter Girl. I wanted to make a quick video for you today about how to embroider the inside of your wedding dress, even if you find sewing to be a huge challenge. This is something that's quick and simple and easy to do, and it's a really fun way to personalize your wedding dress and make it really special. And I'm gonna do it in blue today, so it can be also your something blue. So it's really simple. This is what you need. You need a pencil. You need this, it's called Embroidery Floss, and you can get it at any craft store. You can choose whatever color you want, and it's real cheap. Usually under $2 for the whole thing, and you're not even gonna need very much. You need a needle. I have mine threaded here already, but you're gonna need a sewing needle, and it has a little eye at the top. An eye is just another word for a hole, and you're gonna stick the thread through there and tie it on a knot on the end. So that's it. And then also you need a pair of scissors. So I've got a wedding dress here, and most wedding dresses have a lining. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna work in between the lining and the front of the wedding dress, because we don't want to be able to see the reverse side. You want to be able, the nice side of the embroidery to show. So here's the front of the wedding dress. It's like this beautiful lace here. And then I want to embroider on the inside. And this is really fun. Like you could do initials, you could do your wedding date, what have you. For this, I'm gonna keep it really simple, and I'm gonna do a little heart. So I'm turning the camera down. So you're gonna take your pencil, and you're gonna draw an outline, so I'll move this back, of what you wanna do. Okay, so I'm just drawing my little heart here. Not so good. So what happens is you're gonna sew on top of the pencil line. So you don't wanna make it so dark. You wanna do it light enough that you can see it, but not so dark. But you're not gonna see the pencil line at the end. So you want to try to, like I said, go through that space where the dress, and I had it here, but I'm going to quick find it again, where the dress, see how my hand is like in between the dress and the dress lining? So you're going to take your needle like this with the knot at the end, and you're going to go through all the way till it comes out above, you pop it out right at the end point of one of your pencil marks. Okay, and we're gonna do what I like to do for the embroidery. It's called the running stitch. I'll turn this down here so that you can see. And you can hop on other YouTube videos. I'm sure they have, it's an embroidery stitch called the running stitch. And this is just a really simple one that goes back and forth, and it's really good for beginners. So what you're gonna do is, I'm gonna get this dress up here. Okay, I'm gonna tilt my video down. Boy, this light is bright. Okay. Let me see if I can lower the video light here, so that it's not so crazy for you. So what we're gonna do, there we go, much better. Okay, what we're gonna do is we're gonna do this running stitch. See how I sketched with my pencil? Okay, we're gonna do this running stitch all the way around the entire heart. Ooh, I got caught on the button here. We're gonna do the running stitch all the way around till it meets the other end, and then you're gonna pull it through. And the beauty of the running stitch is you just kind of take one little tiny, like 1/8 of an inch piece as it goes around. Like I said, this is not necessarily a tutorial about how to do the running stitch, but what you do is, let's see if I can get this to not be so bright. There you go. So I'm taking little 1/8 of an inch, there you go, little 1/8 of an inch pieces, and sticking them in and going around. Okay, and you just go a little bit farther. So we're gonna go 1/8 of an inch all the way around, just following your pencil mark and not getting caught on the buttons here. So really simple. What you're gonna do is you're gonna do your little stitch all the way around to make a little heart. And when it's all done, you're gonna have this sweet little heart on the inside of your wedding dress. Really simple, perfect to do. Like I said, hop on other YouTube videos about how to do what's called the running stitch, and then get your pencil and you wanna trace your outline of whatever it is you wanna do. So if you wanna do initials, it's just real simple. You just do your initials in the pencil, and then you trace over them with a needle. You do your little tiny little grab of the running stitch, and you're gonna go all the way around and trace your pencil mark. And then when you're all done, the needle's gonna go in, and then you're gonna tie a knot on the reverse side. Make sure you do it so that nobody can see it from the front. So I'm gonna keep this video short. I'll link below. I will link a full tutorial written out that I have on my blog. But for now, I just wanted to make a quick video to show you how simple and easy it is to embroider the inside of your wedding dress and make it super personal and fun for yourself or even for a friend. All right, thanks.